Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1967 Chevrolet Corvette Roadster. Killer little car. 10-year-old, body up restoration, very nicely done. It's a little bit of a resto mod, but yet it's still got the matching numbers engine in it. Looking at it, other than the wheels and tires, looks pretty bone stock, but they have put a rack and pinion steering underneath it, Billstein rear shocks, lowered it down a little bit. Killer color combination, tuxedo black with the all new black leather interior in it. These are actually brand new wheels and tires. Neat car. Car's out of Arizona. Frame's clean on it. They've added AC. It's got aftermarket vintage AC on it, which is nice. And a fun car to bang the gears. This car gets down the road good. Very well maintained restoration. I think this car's actually got the original bumper still on it. It's got 71,000 or 70, I think it's 71,000 original miles on the car. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. And slick car. Sorry if you're seeing that, something sitting on there. Love the black on black. It's got a white convertible top. I'll post pictures of that. It's just a little water spot there if you're seeing that. Like I say, a couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at, but very nice car. If you're looking for a fun car to drive and bang the gears, I think you'll have an absolute blast with this car. Car's got a great look. Again, brand new wheels, brand new tires. Now, it looks like those are actually the original bumpers. Billstein rear shocks. I love the side exhaust. Nothing sounds like a mid-year with side exhaust. They just sound great. Billet wheels. You can see they got the Corvette flag in them. Of course, 4-wheel disc brakes. Again, does have the matching numbers 327 in it. You can see they put like the March frontrunner system on it. Does have aftermarket AC, stock chrome air cleaner with the finned aluminum valve covers. Does have the original ram's horn exhaust manifolds. Muncie 4-speed manual transmission. Updated the power, so it's got a power rack on it, it's what it's got. Looks like the stock aluminum intake. Good looking car. Car just looks great coming down the road. A-pillar chrome looks great. Pieces come out a little bit. Snap that back in there. Chrome mirror. Looks like the original door handles. Power windows. Again, they've redone the seats and everything, leather buckets, center console, stock shifter, tilt column. It's got all the factory tacking gauges. Yeah, 71, 591 on your odometer. Clock works, the radio works. I couldn't get a station, but it does power up. Those controllers, you know they're factory controlled. Your AC controllers down here. Your one to the left, I think, is the fan, and the one to the right controls the like defrost and floor and. Good looking car. Okay, the floors are nice. As always, we always make sure that there's photos of the cars. I'm gonna bump this thing. I think we're good. All right, yeah, I think we're good. Sorry, hopefully I haven't stopped recording. We always post pictures on our website of the bottoms of all the cars. Of course, shoot videos of all these cars. We're really stressing people to call us. A lot of scams out there, people stealing our photos, posting them for silly prices, and scamming our customers out of money. That's why we really encourage you to call us at 248-620-3355. Yeah, 8-pedal cones are really nice. So the one, nope, not on the left. The one on the right, top one on the right. I'm sorry, on the left. It is the one on the left. Turn it, yeah, and it'll click on. I know it clicks on. The buttons are actually backwards. Whatever they read, they're actually backwards. He's got them in there. Yeah, the car runs and drives out great. Slick car. Love the black. The white top looks great when it's up. Gauges work. You can see the car's holding great oil pressure. Yeah, it's just a nice car. Power windows. You know, the backup lights work. Yeah. Clock in there works. Not being run. Yeah, radio, it's powering up. You can hear it's got the factory AM/FM Delco. It's just catch a station. Guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at our website at southernmotors.com. Make sure you're checking out our social media on Facebook, Instagram. Definitely subscribe to this YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button here. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of this, guys. Good looking car.